This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Plug the laptop in and set power mode to high performance so brightness isn't limited. Once plugged, press the FN plus brightness keys or open the quick settings panel to raise levels immediately. Make sure adaptive or auto brightness is turned off in display settings so your manual adjustments hold steady. You'll want control first. Changing power and disabling automatic adjustments prevents the system from lowering brightness later, and it prepares the display for precise manual tuning. Once done with the basics, go deeper. Open display settings and use the slider to set the exact percent that's comfortable. Next, open your graphics driver control panel, Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA, because those often expose additional brightness and gamma controls that affect perceived luminance. Calibrate the display if available, adjust contrast and gamma, and preview a full white image to confirm peak brightness. Make small incremental changes and compare. This ensures the brightness you want is accurate and stable across apps. Finish by saving any settings and restarting the laptop so changes take full effect. If brightness still won't increase, update the display driver and the operating system because outdated drivers commonly cap brightness controls. Make sure power profiles and manufacturer utilities aren't overriding your choices. If problems persist, connect an external monitor. If it's bright, the laptop panel may be failing. If it's also dim, suspect a software or GPU issue. One key troubleshooting tip: reinstall the display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.